Cabo San Lucas, which translated means St. Luke Cape, or simply Cabo, is a resort city at the southern tip of the Baja California Peninsula in the Mexican state of Baja California Sur. The population is approximately 210,000 and growing rapidly. Rated as one of Mexico's top 5 tourist destinations, Cabo is also known for its beaches, scuba diving, the marine life, and the sea arch called El Arco de Cabo San Lucas. In the Cabo area, you will see food from all over Mexico and so much more than the food scene of buckets of margaritas and all-you-can-eat buffets. Some of the best seafood anywhere can be found here in Cabo: traditional tacos, tamales, fajitas, sushi, burgers, pasta, and pizza. We've been here for almost 6 weeks now, and we have definitely found our favorites. Latitude 22 is a fun, local place that is about 5 minutes from our house. It has everything from tacos to the humble meatloaf. And the prices are surprisingly low. Another favorite is La Tequisa. This is a great place which offers live music on Friday evenings, and the tacos are always fresh and so delicious. So La Taquiza is right across the street from Costco and just down the road from us. I'll share a link in the information below, but I have to say we have been here more than a couple times since we've arrived. We've also ventured off the beaten path to a few places. There's a place called Compostry. It's always full of local families. They serve up lunch, dinner, and breakfast. And then this little breakfast place called Restaurante La Abulea. They fry up fresh tortillas tableside. Mercado is a great place to grab something quick. It's somewhat similar to a food court. It's occupied with many upscale vendors. You can consume anything from pancakes, sushi, hot dogs, tacos, and even crickets. Yes, I did say crickets. And finally, last but not least, down at the marina, also known as El Centro. You can find anything you can imagine down here. The restaurants are usually busy in the evenings, and it's a fun place to stroll along the Malecon. We found WTF Burger. Great burgers, salads, smoothies, and drinks. And from what you can see, it's a great place to relax in the hot sun because you're covered, you have fans, and misters, and of course, they let our dogs lay on the patio. The marina is a great place for looking at fishing boats, all the yachts, and you may even see a sea lion or a pelican on this adventure. I could go on and on about the variety of food here, and most importantly, how good our meals have been, but I won't. I really hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope it gave you a good idea of eating out options here in Mexico. Please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. All you need to do is sign into YouTube. It doesn't cost a thing. Thanks, friends. Bye.